Did you know that a single supervolcano eruption could be 1,000 times more powerful than the Hiroshima bomb? Some scientists believe we might be overdue for one, and recent activity has them watching one giant very, very closely. Beneath some of the most beautiful landscapes on Earth, monstrous chambers of magma are swelling. These are supervolcanoes, and their eruption could trigger a volcanic winter, plunging our planet into darkness and causing global-scale devastation. Today, we're not talking about a distant, abstract threat. We're looking at one specific giant that's showing some worrying signs, making scientists ask, is the beast awakening? The supervolcano causing the most concern right now is the Yellowstone caldera, hidden in plain sight beneath Yellowstone National Park in the United States. This isn't your typical cone-shaped volcano. It's a massive collapsed crater, spanning over 40 miles. Yellowstone has a history of colossal eruptions with a cycle of roughly every 600,000 to 800,000 years. The last major one was about 640,000 years ago, which, by some calculations, means we could be in the window for the next big event. In recent years, we've seen an increase in ground uplift, earthquake swarms, and changes in its hydrothermal systems, all signs that the magma chamber below is alive and active. So what's actually happening miles beneath the surface? A supervolcano forms when a massive plume of hot mantle rock rises and melts the Earth's crust from below, creating a gigantic, ever-growing pool of magma. This magma chamber doesn't just sit there, it's a dynamic system. Gases build up and the pressure increases relentlessly. Scientists monitor these giants using a network of GPS stations to track ground deformation down to the millimeter, seismometers to listen for the tremors caused by moving magma, and by analyzing the gases escaping from vents and hot springs. These signs are our only warning system, telling us if the immense pressure below is reaching its breaking point. And here's the truly sobering part. Recent studies and modeling have given us a clearer and, frankly, more terrifying picture of what an eruption would look like. While most experts agree a full-scale super-eruption in our lifetime is unlikely, they can't rule it out. If Yellowstone were to go, the initial blast would devastate a radius of hundreds of miles instantly. But the real global catastrophe would come from the sheer volume of ash and sulfur dioxide blasted into the stratosphere. This would create a veil around the planet, reflecting sunlight back into space, causing global temperatures to plummet for years, even a decade. This volcanic winter would lead to widespread crop failures, famine, and a collapse of our modern civilization as we know it. The latest data confirms the magma chamber is larger and more active than previously thought, reminding us that this isn't science fiction. So, while a super-eruption isn't an immediate, definite threat for tomorrow, the potential is very real, and the science is clear. Understanding these incredible forces of nature is the first step in being prepared for any eventuality. We live on a dynamic and powerful planet, and Yellowstone is a constant rumbling reminder of that. What are your thoughts on this? Do you think we're prepared for such a global event? Let me know in the comments below, and if you're fascinated by the power of our planet, you have to check out our video on the Carrington event, a solar storm that almost sent us back to the Stone Age. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more deep dives into the world around us.